In this video I'm going to show you how to download R.E.P.O on a PC. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to Steam. Then on Steam we're going to search for the game R.E.P.O. And we're gonna click on the game, guys, and as you can see is the game R.E.P.O is €9 and 75. So you can add to cart it, you can buy it like this, but guys, if you would like, I can show you a little tip. If you go to the website G2A, it's this website. Also the link to this website is in the video description. We're gonna click on that and we're gonna type in R.E.P.O. And right here we're gonna search on price lowest first, and if you see right here we see R.E.P.O PC, and then we're gonna click this one, and as you guys can see this is only $6.85, so you save $3. It's a little bit less than you can play the game R.E.P.O. So yeah, if you subscribe and buy it, that's how you can play it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I showed you a little trick. If you like this video, please leave a like, let us know in the comments if this worked for you, and if you would like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.